Firecrawl versus Apify web scraping platforms. Choosing the right web scraping platform can dramatically improve your data collection process without complex coding or unreliable results. Firecrawl and Apify both offer powerful solutions with distinct approaches. Firecrawl and Apify are two popular web scraping platforms designed to automate data extraction. The core difference lies in Firecrawl's focus on customizable, developer-centric workflows, while Apify emphasizes a broader marketplace of ready-to-use scraping tools and integrations. Firecrawl is a web scraping platform built for developers and data professionals who want full control over their scraping workflows. It offers a flexible environment where users can design and customize scraping tasks using code or visual tools. Firecrawl's architecture supports complex scraping scenarios, including handling JavaScript-heavy websites and managing large-scale data extraction efficiently. Its strengths include robust customization options, scalability, and an intuitive interface that balances ease of use with technical depth. However, Firecrawl may require a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with coding or automation concepts. It's ideal for users who need precise scraping control, want to build tailored pipelines, or require integration with other data processing tools. Firecrawl's focus on developer empowerment makes it a solid choice for companies and individuals who prioritize adaptability and technical sophistication in their web scraping projects. Apify is a versatile web scraping and automation platform known for its extensive marketplace of pre-built scraping actors and integrations. It enables users to quickly deploy scraping tasks without starting from scratch, thanks to a large library of ready-made solutions covering popular websites and data sources. Apify also supports custom scraping through its SDK, allowing developers to build tailored scrapers when needed. The platform excels in accessibility, making it suitable for both technical users and those less familiar with coding. Strengths include a vast ecosystem, easy deployment, and strong community support. Limitations might arise when highly specialized or complex scraping requirements demand deeper customization beyond the marketplace offerings. Apify is ideal for users who want quick setup, prefer ready-to-use tools, or need to automate workflows with minimal development effort. This makes it a great fit for businesses seeking fast data extraction solutions with scalability and flexibility. When comparing Firecrawl and Apify, consider your project's complexity and speed requirements. Firecrawl shines in scenarios demanding custom workflows and detailed control, such as scraping dynamic sites with intricate data structures. It's best suited for teams with coding expertise who want to build and manage scalable pipelines. Apify, on the other hand, offers a faster route to deployment with its marketplace of pre-built scrapers, ideal for projects needing quick access to common data sources. While Apify simplifies setup and reduces development time, it may fall short in highly customized tasks where Firecrawl's flexibility is advantageous. Both platforms scale well, but Firecrawl provides more technical depth, whereas Apify prioritizes ease of use and speed. Choosing between them depends on balancing customization needs versus rapid deployment and marketplace convenience. Choose Firecrawl if you require advanced customization, developer control, and scalable workflows for complex web scraping projects that demand precision and flexibility. Options summary, which for Apify if you want quick deployment with a wide range of ready-made scraping tools and minimal coding. Its strong ecosystem and user-friendly design make it perfect for users prioritizing speed and ease over deep customization.